Unable to remove there is an active subscription in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Launch the settings application on your device and tap on your name banner. Here scroll down and find media and purchases and tap on that. And then tap on view account option you see there. You will be asked to enter your Face ID or passcode, so go ahead and enter that. Now tap on Manage Payments and make sure on the payment method you have entered the correct card details of your credit card or your debit card. Also, under Billing Address, make sure the given information is correct since it is very crucial to enter correct details here. Now tap on Done and go back to Settings and tap on General and then on VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any type of VPN services, and by now your problem should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.